good, family? It's General 315, man. I'm here again bringing you another sneaker review. Today I got the French blue Jordan 12s from my guy Joe. He sent these over for a review. This shoe has avoided me for so long. I think the last time this shoe released was like 2015, 2016, something like that, and I missed out on that release, and I'm so fortunate to get this one today so I can show you guys this review. I really like this shoe. So before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video, all those good things that everybody says in their videos as well. Do it here, please. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where you'll see all the latest and greatest. You'll see the Reels page, you'll see all the stuff that I have done, some of the stuff that's coming up that I will be doing next. And make sure you guys go ahead and follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. And the Discord is popping. We got a lot of people in there helping you find shoes, where the cops, you'll find out who Joe is, all of these good things. All right, so make sure you guys follow us in the Discord as well. So French blue Jordan 12s, this one's iconic, man. It's super dope. Projected resale prices for these joints, I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see it. If you guys want to go after this for the resale market, by all means, jump on StockX and go and see if you can find it there. If not, like I said, join the Discord. We'll help you find a pair of these joints, okay? So breaking the shoe down, we have a nice white shoe with some blue hits on it, and it's very simple. You know what I mean? It's a super dope plain colorway on a Jordan 12 silhouette. You really can't go wrong. Very clean, nice white tumbled leather on the upper. It looks really dope, nice and clean. You got a lot of character to this leather. And then you have this nice blue mud guard right here. Very dope. I like those scales, they look pretty good. And then you get that gray tag right there with the Jumpman. You get some eyelets right here that are silver. I do like that. The toe box of the shoe looks pretty nice. It's nice and rounded right there. White laces in this joint. You got white laces going up the tongue. You get your 2-3 in there, and that looks really good. Got our Jumpman right here on the tongue. He's stitched well. He looks pretty good right there. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing crazy, but it's just really nice. It's just a clean shoe. Like, this is one of those shoes that is blue, that's just clean. It's just a clean, simple, and plain shoe. Heel of the shoe, you got your red 23, and then you got your Jordan right here where it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. That looks really nice. And then you got your tag right there with the Jumpman. Outsole of the shoe, super dope. You know, it's funny, I always thought that this shoe had the herringbone pods right here. This is the herringbone traction right here. And right here, that zigzag, I always thought that these were white or gray, and it's actually surprising to see that the whole bottom is blue except for this carbon fiber, which is kind of dope. So yeah, you definitely got some nice vibes here, some solid blue vibes. There's that carbon fiber looking really nice right there. And then we got our red 23 and then our white Jumpman right there. So very nice right there. You get a standard shoe tree with these joints. There's our sizing tag right there. It looks like these were made in 2015. It looks like they were manufactured in 2015, so the release date must have been in 2016. And here we have our insole right here. The insole looks pretty good, nice blue. Got that red Jumpman right there, but it is that old foam stuff, and it's really similar to that stuff that they used to have in the Jordan 1s. So not the most comfortable. It's not like it's a polyurethane insole. You know, it's something. It's a little bit of a thicker piece of foam right here, but it feels good. When I put the shoe on, it felt okay. So definitely got some decent comfort in these. So dope shoe all around, you know what I mean? Dope shoe all around. I can't really complain about this joint. It looks really nice. It is true to size. It's really comfortable. It's got very high quality leather on it. So nothing to complain about with this one. If I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10 for the materials, I'm gonna go with a solid 9.5. I think the materials are very good on these joints. Trader Joe's did his thing. If I had to rate the colorway, I like the colorway. I think it's a dope blue shoe. For me, I'm not really a blue guy. If I was to choose a certain type of blue shoe, this would be one of my top 5 types of shoes to wear with blue in it. So I'm gonna have to go with a 9 for the colorway. I know it's plain, and I usually give plain colorways a really low rating, but this shoe I'm a little biased to. primarily because I didn't get a chance to get it when it came out. Definitely one of those versatile shoes that you can kind of wear with anything. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this review was informative for you. I hope it helps you make a decision whether StockX, GOAT, or to wear the cops in the Discord. Make sure you guys don't forget to follow us in there, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. I'm out.